Are you looking to update your outdoor landscaping lights? In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this LED solar panel outdoor landscaping light that's an 8-pack. And also, I did drop it right here, down here at the link below, right in the descriptions. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how easy these are to set up and how bright they actually are. So we're in the actual fall season right now, so a lot of the leaves are off my trees, but you're going to get the point and you're going to see exactly how bright these are so you can make the decision if these are going to be great for your home. So let's jump into the video and do the full unboxing and the full DIY setup with these outdoor solar LED lights. So I want to put these LED lights right here on my back patio. Now, as you can see, I don't have any leaves on my bushes right now, but I want to put 4 lights because I have 4 bushes facing up towards my patio. So let's install these and let's see how easy this actually is. So before we open the box, I kind of want to go over one of the lights that's already installed. This is the actual light here itself. Really nice. I definitely like how bright this is going to be. You got your little solar panel. What I like about this is that you can actually rotate either or. You can rotate the actual solar panel, or you can actually rotate the actual light itself to get the proper angle that you're looking for. Now, one of the things that I thought that was really neat with this is these pieces actually just disconnect and connect. You can actually mount this right on the side of your house. If you don't want to stake it in the ground, it comes with a mounting bracket or mounting screws that you can actually just drill right into your shed, your garage, anywhere, maybe even on a tree, which I absolutely love that. But in this video, I'm going to be doing the stake where I'm just going to be stabbing it right here in the ground below. But also, another thing too, I want to point out, you have a button right here on the back end where you can actually just turn it on. So you're going to want to make sure that light is on so it does actually turn on when it goes down to dusk. So let's open the box, see what these look like. This is an 8-pack as well. They are very neatly wrapped, all filled with bubble wrap so nothing breaks, covering the solar panel and the actual light itself. And then you have your stakes where you kind of just connect it to the bottom of the light. This is very easy to do, as you see how simple that was. And also too, it does come with some hardware. So like I said, you can just mount this right to the side of the house. So let's stab these in the ground and see what they look like. Literally all that I'm going to do, I'm just going to stab it in the ground just like this. And just like I said, you can adjust the LED light, which makes it really nice, and you can get that solar panel in the actual sun. There we go. That's 2 down, 2 to go. All right, here we go. I think you're starting to get the idea of how easy these are to install. Now, I do want to show you exactly how bright these are at nighttime, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video. All right, we're finally hooked up. We're going to come back out here at nighttime and see exactly how bright these things are. And I do have 4 more where I'm going to put them around my yard, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you can see how bright these lights actually are. And this is what they look like at nighttime. It really does light up the space outside. It does look really good. You can't beat this at all. They are very bright. Also, it does light up the hole under the tree, and it will stay on until the morning. And now I just had some lights go off that were behind me. So now you're really going to get the full idea of how bright these actually are. Really nice. Like I said, you can't beat it. And that concludes our full DIY unboxing of the outdoor solar panel LED lights. Now, I did drop the link right here in the descriptions below, and also too, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I come out with full DIYs, full installs, and I also do product reviews right here on my channel. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.